Hello, this is the 53rd lecture of the Semantic SEO course. In this lecture, we will examine the supplementary content and the micro context that we have here. As you already remember, this was the transition point by using the lexicosemantics from human body to the animal bodies. And in this area, we actually started to use the cell names because this is the entire root for the supplementary content. And then we unite and they group everything under this grouper question. Boolean question comes after this specific more unique question as well. And we also determine, or we try to signify that losing weight and as an effect and the result of the drinking water, it is a benefit. And in this case, we use the word benefit directly here too. Most of the time inside my internal links, I use a specific anchor text also inside my headings. But it's not the situation all the time. Sometimes I signal them. For instance, weight loss or lose or lost, etc. This is a result and the benefit of drinking water. And in this case, the drinking water is not directly a type of water. In this case, actually, we use this anchor text, but the entity is here. This is predicate. So this is not the type of water, but this is directly the predicate in this area. Because we are using the process, then we are giving a result, and this result is actually a subpart of the bigger group, which is the benefits, and then we link to the bigger group, which is the benefits in the form of predicate. We are directly doing it actually in this area too because it helps us to state it even further, like the body functions, and the body functions already appears directly inside the root of the semantic content network as well. So there is something that we call answer terms. The answer terms are the terms that appear for answering certain types of questions. And let's say we have just 3 web pages that mention the word actually body functions in our website. Whenever we use the term body functions, there are actually 2 or 3 things that we are using. One is defining it. Another thing is connecting it to the, let's say, water. And the third thing that actually we are doing is connecting it to a benefit or a result, or let's say the harm, the risk, or any other related thing to the drinking water. And whenever we do this, actually, the first time that we mentioned the specific functions of the body, it was inside our root and inside the general summary. For the rest, usually it appears in the middle or at the end, because whenever we use it, we directly signal it at the bottom part as well. While creating your content briefs, you will need to create these type of answer terms, and you will need to always signal the specific section that you want to connect it to back. So in this part, I will show a few concepts or a few columns that I actually hidden before. In this case, you will see that unique information gain score and preceding questions are here. And here I have the annotation text. Annotation text is the text that appears around the anchor text. For now, I am hiding them. And to be honest, there are 20 more column types like this, but it's rare that I am using all of them because it requires too much training after a point. But most of the time, these things will be good enough. These are just fundamentals inside the Core framework. And with that said, we will see a few more briefs together to process. Then we will look at the articles together. Thank you.